In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter retail sales in Xero. This might sound a bit complicated at first, but stay with me, and together we'll make this process smooth and straightforward. Let's dive right into it. First, start by navigating to the home page of Xero. Once you're there, look for the Accounting tab. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu where you should select Bank Accounts. This is your gateway to managing financials in Xero. Next, you'll want to focus on adding a new bank account. There's a button called Add Bank Account. Go ahead and click on it. This option allows you to properly track your sales through a dedicated account. Now, moving forward in this process, you'll be prompted to input a few key details. Start with the bank name. Make sure you enter this information correctly, as it is crucial for ensuring that your finances are accurately mirrored within the Xero platform. Following the bank name, you'll be asked to define the account name. This can be something that easily identifies your purposes within your business context, like retail sales account. Choosing descriptive names helps you keep everything organized as your financial documents grow. Moving on, you'll need to select the account type. Usually, this will be a type that's fitting for your sales activity, such as a business checking or savings account. Just make sure the account type you choose aligns with how you plan to use it. Currency is the next field to complete. This should typically be the currency you conduct most of your retail transactions in. Correctly setting the currency is vital because it affects the way your sales data integrates into your broader financial reports. Once all these details are filled, click on Add Account to create the bank account in Xero. With the account ready, let's get to the core task: processing your sales entries. To do this, head back to your bank account's overview and locate the plus icon, which represents adding a new entry. Click on it and choose Receive Money. This option allows you to enter the sales you've made. You'll be asked to select the bank account to which you want to apply these sales. Make sure you choose the account we just set up. Then, proceed by clicking Next. Once you're in the detail section, you'll need to enter who the sales are from. Be thorough and precise with these details, as they will help in reconciling accounts later. Finally, after you've assured everything is in place, hit Save. Saving locks in your entry and makes it live in your records. And there you have it, a complete run-through of entering retail sales into Xero. With practice, these steps will become second nature, and you'll navigate the system with great confidence. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Have a wonderful day.